In this video, I'm gonna solve all your doubts about how to find friends, birthday, date, and Instagram. So, I will point out that this process works if you're using iPhone or Android. Doesn't matter. First, you need to log into your Instagram account, then come on the profile of the friend that you want to find the birthday date. After that, you need to find a birthday post. Generally, people post a birthday post when it is the birthday of this person, okay? You can find on the story or on the feed. So I recommend you to come on the profile of the person and find a birthday post and see the date. Then you will find the birthday date of this person. But I recommend you to use Facebook because Facebook allows you to see directly the birthday date of the person. So for example, if you have a friend on Instagram, probably you will have this person on Facebook. So come on Facebook, click on the search icon right here, search for birthdays, click right here, and you will see all your friend birthdays. In my case, I don't have any friends on this test account, but you will see all birthdays, dates of your friends on Facebook. So just add the same person on Facebook, and you will see the birthday date of your friend. I hope I help you how to find friends' birthday dates in Instagram. So, if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.